Hey gang, this is the first installment of a series I like to call Why I DIY. People DIY for a whole host of reasons, and I just thought I would share with you some of mine. I don't really have a set schedule for this series, but when something comes to mind, I will just film a quick short here and explain to you why I do it. So, why I DIY, reason number one. I have a very hard time paying someone to do something that I think I could do. And think is the operant word here. I'm not always so sure if I can do it or not, but I feel confident that I will be able to complete a project. In my old age, though, I have gotten a little bit wiser to where I think about how much time will it take and what is my time worth compared to how much will it cost me to hire someone to do it and how long will it take them to complete the project. So those are all things you have to consider. Um, But given that I actually like doing this kind of stuff, usually, with the exception of landscaping, uh, I usually err on the side of doing it myself. Because, to be honest, on the weekends, nobody's paying me, so gotta do something.